You know that heart-dropping moment when the lights flicker, then everything just goes dark? The fridge goes silent, the Wi-Fi dies, and suddenly you're plunged into that stressful scramble. You start wondering how long it'll last, if the food in the freezer is safe, or how you'll keep warm or cool. We've all been there, messing around with those cheap, low-quality backups that promise power, but barely manage to charge your phone before sputtering out. They leave you high and dry when you need them most, breaking down, or simply not having the juice to handle anything significant. Well, what if you could essentially detach your home from the grid's drama? This isn't just about having a few hours of light. This is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, and it's a total game changer for anyone who values reliability and genuine peace of mind. Forget those flimsy, unreliable alternatives. This is the real deal. It's a complete home power system that can literally run everything. We're talking your entire house, your refrigerator, your oven, the furnace, even a 3-ton central air conditioner, all at the same time with its incredible 7,200 watts of output. No more picking and choosing what gets power. And get this, you can link up multiple units for an absolutely colossal 21.6 kilowatts. If you really want to go all out and live completely normally, no matter what's happening outside. Plus, it's not just a big battery. It can power your appliances even while it's charging itself up from solar or the grid. It starts with enough energy to comfortably power your essentials for a couple of days. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. You can easily expand it to a whopping 90 kilowatt hours. For a typical North American home, that's over a month of essential power, completely secured. And it's smart too. Through the app, you can prioritize specific circuits in your home, extending your backup even longer, or even use it to intelligently offset peak electricity rates, saving you money by utilizing solar power. I know you're probably thinking, where do I even find something this robust? To save you the endless scrolling and comparing, I've linked the exact model I'm talking about below. So, is it worth the investment? Absolutely. Think about the hidden costs of losing power: spoiled food, burst pipes in winter, lost productivity if you work from home, or simply the immense stress and inconvenience. This isn't just buying a battery, it's buying genuine self-reliance, massive home resilience, and a profound sense of security for you and your family. It's not just about surviving an outage, it's about thriving through it, completely uninterrupted. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.